India's third largest private sector lender, Axis Bank, on Tuesday reported a 19% jump in second quarter profits from the same period last year, backed by higher interest income and lower provisions. Net interest income saw a healthy growth of over 15%, while provisions and contingencies fell 2.5%. The numbers were mostly in line with street estimates. There was no big change in bad loans, with net non-performing assets coming in at 0.48% versus 0.44% in the same period last year.
Credit growth on the back of alternate sources of funds as well as muted investment demand will possibly remain lower than what we initially anticipated.
Shifting focus to the pharma sector, where Lupin on Tuesday posted a disastrous set of numbers for the September quarter. Net profit fell over 35% to 409 crore rupees due to a slowdown in product approvals in the US. That despite a marginal pickup in sales. There was pressure on the company's overseas units as well, with the Japanese and South African subsidiaries reporting a marginal dip in sales. This is Lupin's worst show in the last 10 quarters, and the stock got hammered on the bourses.
US sales were down to $174 million, representing a 16% year-on-year decline and a 4% decline vis-a-vis the previous quarter.
Anil Agarwal's Vedanta Resources has reported a 40% fall in profits, weighed down by the crude oil price crash. The company posted profits of 970 crore rupees for the September quarter, compared with 1,619 crore rupees in the same period last year. Revenues fell 37% to 4,000 crore rupees, while margins tanked to 24.5% from 32.5% in the year-ago period. The only silver lining is the forex gain of 494 crore rupees, a 95% growth from the previous year.
Maximizing cash flows and deleveraging the balance sheet are our top priorities given the near-term volatility and low commodity price environment.
Two-wheeler major TVS Motors reported a 23% rise in the September quarter profits on a year-on-year basis, as the cost of raw materials eased considerably. Revenues grew 8% to 2,881 crore rupees, mostly in line with analyst estimates. Demand for TVS motorbikes remained more or less flat during the quarter, while scooter sales saw a 12% rise. Analysts said the numbers are more or less in line with street estimates, although the EBITDA margin of 7.4% was a pleasant surprise. Bureau Report, ET Now, Mumbai.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.